Howdy, 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 everyone. Hope you have a fantastic, fantastic day. We are in downtown San Antonio, where we are going to do the Go Rio boats. You can see we got some lights right there on the trees. There is, what is that? What is that building? What is that one called right there? The Hemisphere. The Hemisphere.
Tower of America.
Yeah, Tower of America. That's what it is. You can see
the Hemisphere.
Yeah, the World's Fair, right?
World's Fair.
Yeah. Yeah. So that you can see it's all lit up. We got lit up trees here. We're gonna take the boats. We're gonna go up and down the Riverwalk. It's gonna be a good time. We drove from Kyle, which is about an hour and a half to 2 hours with traffic. Actually, it was about an hour and 20 minutes, if I'm gonna be exact. It's about an hour and 20 minutes. So let's head down to the Riverwalk and check it out. We got Gabby here today. We got the mammies.
Hello.
And there's the mams.
Hello.
And then up front, let me turn you around. There's the teens. She's got a bag of goodies, some cookies. We're gonna have some pizza and all that good stuff. It's so pretty down here. That bridge right there, if you walk straight down those stairs, we're gonna be at the Riverwalk. It's going to be awesome. There's the river, the San Antonio River. Set up to stop the flooding of downtown San Antonio. They had a massive flood here in 1921. And that's when they started building this river here. Here is our ride. Pulling right up here to pick us up. We boarded one of the Go Rio boats right here on the Riverwalk. The boats are really comfortable, and usually the guide shares some great stories about the Riverwalk's history as you cruise along. This time though, since it was a private charter, we mostly just relaxed and took in the lights and festive atmosphere. And while we were lucky to have warmer than usual weather for the ride, I'll admit I've always thought that cooler nights make the experience feel a bit more festive. There's something about the chill in the air that really gets you into the holiday spirit. But the warm weather was a nice change this time around. If you're not familiar with the Riverwalk, here's a quick bit of history. Officially called Paseo del Rio, it was originally conceived in the 1920s following the devastating flood of 1921 that wreaked havoc in the city. After the flood, local leaders saw an opportunity to revitalize the area and transform the river into a scenic public space. The project took off in the 1930s, spearheaded by architect Robert Hugman, who envisioned the Riverwalk as a place that would blend nature, culture, and commerce. Over the years, it has grown from a simple flood control project to one of San Antonio's most iconic landmarks. Today, the Riverwalk is more than just a picturesque part of the city. It's the heart of downtown, drawing millions of visitors each year and playing a central role in the city's vibrant cultural and social life. The Riverwalk is about 15 miles long, but the section that we're floating on around the downtown area is the most famous, and the holiday lights really make it something special. The lights stretch all the way down the river, hanging from trees, decorating bridges, and reflecting off the water, making everything feel more festive. What truly stand out is its energy. Whether you're cruising along the water or strolling the pass, there's always something going on, whether it's the shops, the restaurants, or the bars lining the way. During Christmas, though, it takes on a whole new feel. The tradition of lighting the river has been part of the San Antonio's holiday season for over 30 years, and it adds a timeless charm that makes the whole area feel even more alive, especially as the lights reflect off the water. The boat's slow pace allows you to take in details, whether it's the historic stone bridges arching overhead or the lush greenery lining the riverbanks. It's a chance to see San Antonio from a quieter, more intimate angle, something you don't get walking the streets. The boat ride was the perfect way to see the Riverwalk at its holiday peak. The lights are gorgeous, the atmosphere is festive, and it's such a peaceful way to enjoy the city. Plus, you get to learn about the history of San Antonio along the way. Alrighty, y'all, there you have it. Made it back to home from the Riverwalk and the riverboats. How much fun was that? Celebrating the holiday season in San Antonio, getting a perspective of San Antonio that you don't normally get from the river. What an awesome experience. A great way to spend Christmas. It's about $20 to go, so it's not that expensive, and it's really something fun to do. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. You know we love you guys. See you next time. They're problem free. Bye.